case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court ruled in 2017 in the landmark case of Sessions v. Morales-Santana against gender-based differences in the Immigration and Nationality Act, INA, a law governing the acquisition of U.S. citizenship for children born abroad to a U.S. parent and a non-U.S. parent. The justices denounced the discriminatory regulations, which offered varying rules based on the gender of the U.S. citizen parent and their marital status, deeming these distinctions as incompatible with the principles of equal protection under the Constitution. The INA had traditionally held different standards for children born overseas to unmarried parents based upon the gender of the U.S. citizen parent. A child of an unwed U.S. citizen mother could acquire U.S. citizenship if the mother had lived in U.S. for a continuous duration of a year prior to the child's birth. However, a U.S. citizen father could transmit citizenship to his child only if he had met the longer physical presence requirements of the INA. Mr. Morales-Santana, a child affected by the old INA rules, took this issue up in court. The lower court held on to the longer physical presence requirement for unwed fathers, erroneously retaining the gender disparity. Dissatisfied with this decision, Mr. Morales-Santana appealed to the Supreme Court. In a ruling that reverberated through the halls of immigration and family law, the Supreme Court announced that the INA's gender and marital status-specific residency criteria were unconstitutional. Critical of the INA's treatment of unwed mothers and fathers in determining the citizenship of their children, the court declared that the law violated the Constitution's requirement for gender equality. With a strong focus on equal treatment, the Supreme Court struck down the discriminatory exception in the INA and extended the general rule of longer physical presence requirements to include unwed U.S. citizen mothers giving birth abroad. Notably, the court did not pass judgment on the constitutionality of the INA's 1952 version or the principle of third-party standing. The ruling ultimately mandated a uniform policy for all U.S. citizen parents, irrespective of their gender or marital status, offering a much-needed pathway for individuals like Mr. Morales-Santana to assert their rightful citizenship.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.